everyone. Myself, Professor Suryamshi Satish Vishwasrao. I welcome you all in math learning session. Now, today we are discuss about the logarithmic differentiation. So now in paper second, in chapter differentiation, the function logarithmic differentiation is the very important part in your exam. So one example is always asked on this topic, logarithmic differentiation. So when we apply the logarithmic differentiation, see here, sometimes we have to deal with function which can be expressed as, if the given differentiation is in the form of this, number one, a product of number of functions. Means a product of number of functions are given, then we apply the logarithmic differentiation. Second one, a quotient of functions, and then third one, a function which is the power of the function, means function raised to power function is given, then it is easy to find the differentiation by taking logarithm. We can simplify these functions and differentiate easily. Such a type of differentiation is known as logarithmic differentiation. So hint that y is equals to log of y implies that dy by dx is equals to 1 upon y into derivative of y is dy by dx, means apply a chain rule. If the number of product of functions are given, number of quotients is given, and then a function raised to power function is given, then it is easy to find the derivative. So now let us consider this exercise number 4. Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. So take this example. So given y is equal to x plus 1 raised to power 3 by 2 into 2x plus 3 raised to power 5 by 2 into 7 minus 3x raised to power 7 by 2. So observe this example. So this example is depend on this topic type, a product of number of functions. If product of number of functions are given, then it is easy to take logarithmic differentiation. So taking log on both the sides. So log of y is equals to log of this function x plus 1 raised to power 3 by 2 into 2x plus 3 raised to power 5 by 2 into 7 minus 3x raised to power 7 by 2. Now apply the formula. So log of AB is equals to log A plus log B formula. So simplify it. So log y is equals to log of x plus 1 raised to power 3 by 2 plus log of 2x plus 3 raised to power 5 by 2 plus log of 7 minus 3x raised to power 7 by 2. Then by using this log of AB formula, again simplify it. So log y is equals to 3 upon 2 times log of x plus 1 plus 5 by 2 times log of 2x plus 3 plus 7 by 2 log of 7 minus 3x, which formula apply here? Log a raised to power n is n times log of a, by applying this formula. So now after complete simplification, you have to differentiate this function with respect to x here. Now derivative of log y. Derivative of log y is 1 upon y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. See here. So derivative of log y is 1 upon y into derivative of y is dy by dx by chain rule. So derivative of 3 by 2 into derivative of log x plus 1 is 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1 here, plus 5 by 2 into derivative of log 2x plus 3 is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of this 2x plus 3 plus 7 by 2 into derivative of log 7 minus 3x is 1 upon 7 minus 3x into derivative of 7 minus 3x. So 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 times x plus 1 plus 5 upon 2 into derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. 2 upon 2x plus 3 plus 7 by 2 into 1 upon 7 minus 3x into derivative of 7 minus 3x, derivative of 7 0 minus derivative of 3x is minus 3. So dy by dx is equals to y times 3 upon 2x plus 1 plus 2 cancel means 5 upon 2x plus 3 minus plus minus 7 upon 2 times 7 minus 3x. Then now substitute the value of y. Y is this one here. So dy by dx is equals to, what is y? Is x plus 1 raised to power 3 by 2 into 2x plus 3 raised to power 5 by 2 into 7 minus 3x raised to power 7 by 2 into bracket 3 upon 2 times x plus 1 plus 5 upon 2x plus 3 minus 7 upon 2 times 7 minus 3x is the required derivative of this function y is equal to this. So now consider second example. So now take second example. So here y is equals to third root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is 5 minus x square. Give number 1 here. So it is easy to find this derivative by applying logarithmic differentiation. So now taking log on both the sides, here, so log y is equals to log of third root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x square. So now simplify it. Log y is equals to log of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 5 minus x square raised to power 1 by 3. Now I can apply the formula log y is equals to 1 upon 3 times log of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 5 minus x square. So I apply a raised to n times log A formula. Now again simplify it. Log y is equal to 1 upon 3 times. Apply log A upon B formula. Log A upon B is log A minus log B. So log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x square. Apply this formula. Log of A upon B is log A minus log B. Again simplify it. So log y is equals to 1 upon 3 times log of 3x minus 1 minus, use log AB formula, means log of 2x plus 3 minus plus minus log of 5 minus x square. So apply log of AB formula. So it is log A plus log B. Again simplify it. So log y is equals to 1 upon 3 into bracket log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 minus, right here 2 times log of 5 minus x. Apply log A raised to n formula, n times log of A. Now after complete simplification you have to differentiate. So now differentiate this function with respect to x. So apply here derivative of log y is 1 upon y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx, is 1 upon 3 into bracket derivative of log is 1 upon 3x minus 1 into derivative of 3x minus 1 minus derivative of log is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x plus 3 minus 2 times derivative of log 5 minus x is 1 upon 5 minus x into derivative of 5 minus x. Now 1 upon y dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 3 into bracket. So derivative of 3x minus 1 is 3 upon 3x minus 1 minus derivative of 2x plus 3 is minus 2 upon 2x plus 3, then derivative of minus 2 into derivative of this is minus 1 upon 5 minus x, and then now dy by dx is equal to y times multiply by 1 by 3 to each term in this bracket. So it is 1 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 times 2x plus 3 minus minus plus 2 upon 3 times 5 minus x, and then reput the value. So dy by dx is equals to y. What is the value of y? Third root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus x square into bracket 1 upon 3x minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 times 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon 3 times 5 minus x is the required derivative by taking logarithmic differentiation. So now third one, So this is a very important part. This is a very important type, logarithmic differentiation. One example is always asked in your question paper for 2 or 3 marks. Now given y is equal to e raised to power 3x into sin square x into log of x, means example is in the type of a product of number of function. Now taking log on both the sides, so it is log of e raised to power 3x sin square x into log of x. Now by applying formula, so log y is equals to log of e raised to power 3x plus log of sin square x plus log of log x. So I apply log AB formula, log A plus log B. Again simplify it. Log y is equals to 3 times x into log e plus 2 times log of sin x plus log of log x. So apply the formula here. Log a raised to power n is n times log of a, and log e to the base e is equals to 1. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. Derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 3x. Log e to the base is 1. So derivative of 3x is 3 plus 2 into derivative of log of sin x is 1 upon sin x into derivative of this function sin x plus derivative of log is 1 upon log of x into derivative of log x, because you know formula, derivative of function log of x is 1 upon x. Derivative of function log of x is 1 upon x. Now 1 upon y dy by dx is equals to 3 plus derivative of sin is cos, means 2 times cos x upon sin x plus derivative of log x is 1 upon x, means 1 upon log x into 1 upon x. So it can be written as dy by dx is equals to y times, take this y on this side, this cross multiplication, 3 plus 2 times cot x plus 1 upon x times log of x. Now substitute the value of y. Y is this function. So dy by dx is e raised to power 3x sin square x log x into bracket 3 plus 2 times cot x plus 1 upon x times log of x. So in this way we can differentiate these examples by using logarithmic differentiation. So in this way, stop here. Thank you very much.